Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is all about the approval kit which is recently introduced by Microsoft. So enjoy this video and let's make 2024 a year of efficient and streamlined processes with Power Automate. So whether you are new to Power Automate or an experienced user, this video will provide you valuable insights on how to create increasingly complex approval workflows. So you must be wondering, since there is already an approval action in Power Automate, then what additional features does this bring? So this will be discussed in the later stages of this video. So let's move to the agenda part of this video, wherein I will discuss like what all things I will be covering in this video. So in this video, I will be giving you the overview of approval kit. After that, I will discuss like what all features are there with the approval kit and how approval connectors are different from the approval kit. And at the end of the video, I will be discussing about the licenses that are required for this approval kit. And at the end, I will also discuss the how tracking of approval status can be done in the approval kit. So let's move to the overview of approval kit. So approval kit is basically no code ready-made kit built on top of Power Platform component. So approval kit templates build with 20 cloud flows and Power Automate that you can install in any Dataverse environment. If I talk about the storage of approval kit, so approval kit store everything at Dataverse. So it basically store information like approval workflow, definition, versioning, and tracking data. So, approval kit is a kit from PowerCat that will escalate building your approvals faster than ever. So, those who are new, like who are PowerCat? So, PowerCat is basically the Power Customer Advisory Team. It's a part of Microsoft Power Platform Engineering team at Microsoft. So, this is all about the overview of approval kit. So, let's move to the features of the approval kit. So there are many features of the approval kit, but I will be discussing few of them. So the first feature is the advanced approval option. So approval kit comes with the advanced approval option such as parallel approval, sequential approval, and conditional approval. So let's talk about the second feature, that is customizable approval templates. So approval in approval kit you can easily customize approval templates to match your organizational branding. The third feature is integration with Power Apps. So approval kit can be easily integrated with the Power Apps. So fourth feature is approval insights and analytics. So approval kit comes with basically built-in analytics and reporting monitor. And the fifth feature is escalations and reminder actions. So in approval kit, you can easily set up escalations and reminder actions to ensure timely approval. So if the approval is pending for too long, so this will help to send the reminders, or you can also escalate it to the next level. So this can easily be done. Escalations and reminders can easily be done by using the approval kit. And the last feature is mobile friendly experience. So you can approve or request or reject your request uh, through your mobile also. So these are all the features of the approval kit. And let's move to the different slide wherein I will be explaining like how approval connectors that comes with Power Automate are different from this approval kit. So I will be covering few of the differences and rest you can read from this slide. So the first difference is the versioning difference. So you can easily maintain versioning in case of approval kit, although there is no such versioning that is maintained in case of cloud flows or approval connectors that comes with Power Automate. Second is the multi-stage approval. Although multi-stage approvals can be done in case of approval connectors, but lot of custom implementation is required in this scenario. Although no such custom implementation is required in case of approval kit. Third is delegated approval. So delegated approval feature is also there in approval connectors, but again, a lot of custom implementation is required in case of approval connectors. But in case of approval kit, no such customization is required. You can easily delegate approval in case of approval kit. So as we all know, like Dataverse is the like kind of a database that is required for the approval kit where it store approval information and other information. So Dataverse is required in case of approval kit, but no, Dataverse is not required in case of approval connectors. And the difference is like the common thing is the triggers that are there in Power Automate. So in Power Automate, triggers are there for approval connectors and as well as for the approval kit. So if I talk about the premium connector, so approval connectors are not the premium connector, but approval kit is basically a premium connector. So here are a few differences between the approval connectors versus approval kit. So moving to the next slide. In this slide, I will be discussing about the licenses that are required for the approval kit. So the first thing that is required is the Power Platform Admin Center rights. You should have Power Platform Admin Center rights in case you are implementing this approval kit. The second thing that you need is the Microsoft Dataverse environment, and default environment can't be used in this scenario. And if I talk about the Power App licenses, so Power Apps per app or per user license is required to use in approval workflow designer app. If I talk about Power Automate license, so Power Automate process license is required in case of approval kit. And at the end, as we know, like everything in approval kit, like information, approval information, other information is stored with Dataverse. So Dataverse capacity is also required in case of approval kit. So approval kit is, you can say, is a kit built with premium features. Given these features, you need both Power Apps and Power Automate license to support user designing and to basically manage the approval. So let's move to the new slide wherein I will be explaining like how tracking of approval status can be done in case of approval kit. So in screenshot, the below screenshot that you can see, the approval status which are in progress or completed can be easily identified. As you can see, there is a column called as instance, and over here you can see the status. So you can easily identify the status of each and every instance. And there are similar screens to track the status of specific stage or nodes of an approval in case of approval kit. So user can also use Power BI to basically create and personalize reports that are tailored to their organization need. So you can also use Power BI for creating a more specific report that are related to the approval. So this is how like you can easily track the approval status in approval kit. So I hope this video gives you a good understanding of the benefit and features of the Power Automate approval kit. And if you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is Rahul M365. And this is the part one of this video. In next part, I will be covering all the installation process that is required for the approval kit. Thank you.